In this video, I will show you step by step on how to export high quality JPEG from PSD to JPEG file, a step by step tutorial. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful, consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell so each time I post valuable content, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to save from PSD to JPEG PEASY tutorial. So you can see this file right here is 100% PSD file. So you can see all the layer has been presented from shapes to text and etc. Some of the icons has been presented right there in my PSD file. Now for us to export or save this particular file as JPEG, what we want to do is to come to the top right here, we click on file, then from file we have to navigate to save as. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you choose save on your computer. From save as type right here, click on that, then you have to make sure you locate JPEG. Okay, so click on JPEG. You can name the file from the file name right here, new JPEG. Then you can choose your file destination. So I'm going to save this file into my desktop, then have to come down below right here and click on save. It's going to bring up this particular dialog box. So what you want to do here, this is where you need to determine the quality of the JPEG. Then you have to increase the slider so you get maximum quality of the image. So you can see the kilobyte size of the image has been drastically increased from 300 to 757.6 KB. So this simply means that this image right here is going to be saved as JPEG in higher quality. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on OK. So in a few minutes, the file will be saved from PSD file to JPEG. Simple as that. So we can simply minimize and go to my desktop right here. Here is the file. So I'm going to open up. So you can see the image right here, which is high quality JPEG. So this is how to save from PSD file to JPEG, step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Photoshop. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.